Candlelight tours are 2 weekends right before Christmas every December, and we try to highlight a different period of Sully's history each night. There is living history in each room of the house, reflecting the different time period that we're doing. They'll be cooking in the open hearth kitchen according to different recipes of the time periods. We'll be talking about slavery in different time periods. We'll be giving out sugar cookies and apple cider. This event is special because it gives people a glimpse of what Christmas was like in Northern Virginia over the last 200 or so years. We start out in the federal period where people didn't have Christmas trees and didn't give a lot of gifts. And people can see how the holiday and the customs have evolved into what we celebrate today.